check out my Sagami Condom Workshop certificate. So I didn't expect to receive a certificate, much less such a beautiful one that I want to show off. So as they were giving out the certificate, they joked that we are now qualified to talk about condoms. It's such important information to have, and there are people in our lives that we care about. So it is so important to have more knowledge so that we feel more equipped and more confident about the use of it. So in the workshop, it started off with them showing us a video of the history of Sagami. They are actually the first in Japan to make condoms. It's like a very funny, comical kind of cartoon, and that made it like a lot more interesting and friendly. Then I also found out later on that Sagami is the world's first condom factory that made ribbed and colored condoms. Mind blown. Okay, so the workshop started with a video and some condom facts, and then there was this condom demonstration on a cylinder, how to put on a condom. So talked about the safety precautions. Then we were divided into groups. So I was in the group where we made condom using our glass cylinder. So we each had one, and we dip it in latex, and then we start to dry the latex. So each of us had to do this 2 times so that the latex condom has 2 layers. After that, we went to apply cornstarch on the condom once it's dry, and then roll it up the glass cylinder to create our own condom. So there was this informal competition about who can create the thinnest condom, and of course I lost. I was talking and joking, and of course I had to try with the glass cylinder like 2-3 times before I got finally my condom. But everybody was like super serious about it. After that, there was this quiz on pop quiz on condoms, and also we got to do different experiments with the condom. So all in all, it was like super fun workshop that I highly recommend that all of you attend. So they also gave us this little pouch with some goodies, different types of condom. There's the 0.01, which is the world's thinnest condom, and then 0.02, the original, and the large, and then this sachet of water-based lubricant. So yes, all in all, it was like a super fun day, and I highly recommend it.